Today's our topic is constitutional framework, part first in Indian polity. Chapter first, historical background. The British came to India in 1608 as traders in the form of East India Company, which had the exclusive right of trading in India under a charter granted by Queen Elizabeth I in 1600. In 1765, the company, which till then had purely trading functions, obtained the Diwani, that is, right over revenue and civil justice of Bengal, Bihar, and Orissa. This started its career as a territorial power in 1858. In the wake of the Sepoy mutinies, the British Crown assumed direct responsibility for the governance of India. This role continued until India was granted independence on August 15, 1947. With independence came the need for a constitution, hence a constitutional assembly was formed for this purpose in 1946, and on January 26, 1950 the constitution came into being. However, various features of Indian constitutions and polity have their roots in the British rule. There were certain events in the British rule that laid down the legal framework for the organization and functioning of government and administration. The Mughal Emperor Shah Alam granted Diwan to the company after its victory in the Battle of Bazaar in 1764 in British India. These events have greatly influenced our constitution and polity. They are explained in a chronological order under two major headings. The first one is the Company Rule 1773 to 1858, and second is the Crown Rule 1858 to 1947. In the Company Rule 1773 to 1855, these acts are under the Company Rule. The first one is Regulating Act of 1773, second is Amending Act of 1781, third is Pitt's Act, India Act of 1784, third one is Act of 1786, fifth one is Charter Act of 1793, sixth is Charter Act of 1813, seventh is Charter Act of 1833, eighth one is Charter Act of 1853. In Crown Rule 1858 to 1947, these acts are under. The first one is Government of India Act of 1858. The second one is Indian Council Act of 1861. Third one is Indian Council Act of 1892. Fourth one is Indian Council Act of 1909. Fifth one is Government of India Act of 1919. Sixth one is Government of India Act of 1935. In next video we will discuss in details these acts. The first one is Company Rule 1773 to 1858, and the Crown Rule 1858 to 1947. In the next video we will discuss in detail. For more relating polity and history topics, subscribe our YouTube channel Study PH 74.